Hi friends, today I'm making soft Rava Idli for breakfast. It's easy to make and have with coconut or peanut chutney or any chutney of your choice. It tastes delicious. I have made coconut peanut chutney. The link will be in the description box below if you like to try. I have included a short decor video. Hope you all like it. Let's start. You need 1 cup of rava, that is Bombay rava या चिरोटी rava. No need to roast the rava. And 3/4 cup of curd. Mix it well. The curd I have added was thick, so the rava batter is firm. So I am adding little water to make it little soft. Close the lid and keep it for 30 minutes. To make seasoning for Rava Idli, take a pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, that is split chickpeas, and 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, that is jeera, and 1 tablespoon, that is 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, few curry leaves finely chopped, and 2 green chillies finely chopped, and saute it for a minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/3 cup of grated carrot, or you can add 5 to 6 tablespoons of grated carrot and saute it for a minute. Seasoning is ready. Now apply the oil on the idli plate. After 30 minutes, open the lid and add the seasoning. Mix it well. Add water gradually. Add water till you get the idli batter consistency. Now check the flow of the batter. Still the batter doesn't have that soft texture, so I'm adding water. Now check the batter. It has the soft texture and it flows smoothly. It should not have the runny consistency. This is the texture you need. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Instead of baking soda, you can add Eno, the fruit salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and add salt to taste and mix well. Pour the batter in all the idli plate. The water started boiling. Now place the idli stand in idli pot. Now close the lid. The Rava Idli takes 10 to 12 minutes. In meanwhile, I'll show you the short decor video. This is the vase I had. I'm filling the vase with this roses and the green leaves. I'm keeping this 2 giraffe figurine which matches the vase. This flower arrangement will distract the view from the switchboard. After 10 minutes, open the lid and the hot idli is ready. You can use the toothpick or any thin stick to check whether the idli is cooked or not. Allow to cool it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the idli will come out easily without sticking to the plate. If If you like my video, please do consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.